Can you say hello? Hello, baby girl. Hello, baby girl. Yeah. Who's the good baby girl? We're under too much pressure here now with the video camera, aren't we? Way down in the county Kerry, in a place they call Tralee. Fine old couple, they lived there named Kate and Pat McGee. They were going to have a party for the Golden Jubilee. Kate says she to Pat McGee, come listen here to me. Put on your only breeches and your coat of emerald green. She has been laughing all day, I swear. Put on that hat, me darling, Pat, take on. No, you're a little bit cranky. A little bit hungry, maybe?
Isabel, she smells of poo, doodle-doo-doodle-doo. She really, really smells like she went to the loo.
No. Oh, poor girl. Yeah. Yeah. No smileys. Too much attention. Is it too much attention? Look at those nails again. Peekaboo, baby girl. Peekaboo, baby girl. Peekaboo, baby girl. I'm trying to go wired now.